Hi, this is Kirk with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's go over the steps in Stomp. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me from home. Weight starts on the left foot. You're going to take the right toe. You're going to press on the ball of the foot. You're going to rotate the heel out. You're going to rotate the heel back in. Now we're going to do a quarter turn to our left. This is a coaster step. So you're going to go step, together, step forward on your right foot. From here, we're going to finish this section off with a set of syncopated crossover breaks. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to go rock, replace, step forward on the left, diagonal, and you're going to sweep this foot and you're going to bring it in and you're going to replace that weight on that right foot. From here, we hold, count one, then we're going to go step, cross, and then we're going to step down on that left foot. We're going to point the right toe behind. We're going to pivot a half rotation to our right, and then we're going to hold a count, and then we're going to go smack, smack, and that's right, left. From here, next section, you're going to take your right knee in. You're going to go in with the knee, in with the knee, in with the knee, and you're going to spiral a half rotation to your right. You're going to step on that right foot. You're going to rotate another half rotation to your right, and you're going to point that left toe, and then you hold this count, and then you simply transfer the weight, bring the right foot in, step on that left foot. From here, you're going to do another set of knee pops. I'm going to pop the knee in, kind of like an Elvis move. In, in, in. Now you're going to do a half rotation to the right. This is called a Monterey turn. You're going to spin on this weighted foot, and you're simply going to bring the right foot in with it as you turn. Weights on the right foot from here. From here, you simply rock forward on your left, replace your weight on your right. I'm going to walk straight back, but I'm going to turn to my right. I'm going to step back. I'm going to do a half pivot, and I'm going to step forward on my left. This is where the dance starts over by going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Those are the steps to Stomp. Let's go over the counts in the line dance Stomp. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me from home. Weight starts on the left foot. Right toe's on the floor at this point, so I'm going to count this as an and before I actually start the dance. So it's going to be and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Hold 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. That's where we start the dance over. Thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.